While you might not immediately associate injury or risk of injury of a minor with sex crimes, elements of this crime can be sexual. Hi, I'm attorney Brittany B, and I'm a criminal defense lawyer that works on sexual crime defense. In my time as a lawyer, I have seen some risk of injury crimes related to sex issues and minors. In this video, I will explain this crime as well as what you should do if you have been charged with injury or risk of injury to a minor. Risk of injury to a minor occurs in a few different scenarios. The first scenario is if a person unlawfully or willingly permits or causes a child under the age of 16 to be placed in a situation where their life or health is at stake. If a child's health or morality can be impaired in the situation, injury or risk of injury to a minor could have occurred. This situation is considered a Class C felony, which is punishable by up to 10 years in prison. The second injury or risk of injury to a child scenario is if a person has contact with the minor's intimate parts or subjects the minor to contact with the intimate parts of another. If this occurs in a sexual manner that could harm the child physically or morally, the perpetrator can be charged with risk of injury to a child. This is a Class B felony in Connecticut and is punishable by up to 20 years in prison. The third situation where injury or risk of injury to a child could occur is when a person transfers physical or legal custody of someone under 16 from one person to another for money or another valuable consideration. The only time that this is appropriate is when it is part of a legal adoption process. Otherwise, this situation is considered a Class C felony, which is punishable by up to 10 years in prison. The penalties for risk of injury to a child are severe. In order to avoid the maximum penalties, it is important to establish the best defense that you can. Finding the right defense for your situation is best done with the help of an attorney. If you would like to discuss your situation, please contact my office. I'm happy to help.